With this new Congress underway and the inauguration, we have a challenging new year. One of our big tasks together is to keep hope alive, that we can make a difference, that we can bring about the change that our country so rightly deserves, and that we can protect those among us who face challenges especial and particular to themselves among our neighbors. I think that we already have one small victory in repudiating the effort of House Republicans to undermine the office of congressional ethics here. And the public outcry immediately to their proposal had some impact. Now we see a wide range of contradictions. Yes, we need to resist the new administration, but we need to do it strategically and to point out those contradictions and indeed the hypocrisy. We heard about repealing Obamacare so much last year, but now there seems to be a repeal but no replacement. They were going to keep people from falling into a void when Obamacare was repealed, but they've not come forward with a plan or even held a hearing on what version would assure that the millions of people across the country and the thousands in our neighborhood who for the first time are getting access to their own family physician and not being left to depend on insurance monopolies for the chance that they could get health care in the future, because we have a competitive marketplace through the Affordable Care Act. And the same is now true with the greatest and most oft-repeated promise of the Trump campaign, that he'd build a wall, a great beautiful wall, and Mexico would pay for it. So we hardly get to Washington and they begin exploring how to put that bill on the American taxpayer. That's not what we were promised, and we need to point to it. Our taxpayer resources ought to go to a better use than pouring concrete along the Rio Grande. As we move forward, I welcome your advice. We need to be in this together. It is a great struggle, but protecting our environment, assuring health care, ensuring we aren't involved in more foreign escapades just based on some unhappiness over a tweet will be a big task for us that if we are in it and stronger together, we can overcome, we can protect the gains we've made, and build an America that is the America we want for our children and our grandchildren. Thanks for helping me keep your priorities as my top priorities here in Washington. I hope you'll let your friends know of the opportunity they have to work with us and to offer their input as well. Best wishes.